So let's start this interaction with a brief introduction of Sir.
Yeah, hi. I am Namit Aneja. So I am taking care of the complete North India along with that Gujarat, Sri Lanka, and Nepal region from sales.
Okay, if we talk about RI 2023, what will be your biggest takeaway from here?
So REI basically it's been happening over the past many years, and it's a great platform for the networking and meeting all the industry giants. So this time also we have had a really good footfall, and we were able to showcase the new product launch and meet various giants of the industry. So it's always good to have such platform for the industry. Yeah.
So if we talk about new launches or recent developments, what are the recent developments or new launch from Sungrow's side?
So Sungrow is basically a R&D driven company. Technology is our backbone. So this time also we have launched three segments inverters. In residential, we have launched our new series of 5 kilowatt model, and along with that, in utility also we have come up with a new upgradation for our 295 kilowatt string inverter model that is now rated at 51 degree, which is the first one in the industry. And along with that, our recent model of central inverter 1 plus X, which is actually a very big success since this launch last year, and this year we have launched its 51 degree version as well, which is again having a huge demand from the market. So these are the three products that we have launched in all three various segments.
Okay, if we talk about new opportunities and challenges, do you see any new opportunities and challenges for Sungrow or for solar industry?
See, solar industry in India is having a huge potential, right? The only challenge what we feel is frequent changes in the policies, specifically in a module, because module carrying 70% of the project cost, and there is always dilemma about the duty structure, whether the ALMM will be extended further or not. So this is something, if we have more clarity, it can be more driven in a planned manner. Right now, basis the policies, immediately those are implemented. So the industry sometimes they have to react in a fast manner and not so organized manner. So this is one of the challenges I think which industry is facing. But in the past 6 months, fortunately, the module pricing has come down drastically, which have made all the projects being viable now. And because of that, now inverter demand is also parallelly increasing. And this year, Sungrow have already supplied more than 5.5 gigawatt in India, and by December we are expecting to touch 7 gigawatt shipments. So, an opportunity, as I mentioned, that India is a land of good radiations, and solar is definitely a place where it will boom. So there is a lot of opportunity for every player, every developer here.
So if we talk about doing business in India, do you see any difference doing business in India or international market?
So, as I mentioned, that doing business in India, the major challenge is the policies. The policies are, changing too fast for the liking of all the players in the industry. So, the planning, the forecasting, it affects due to the policy making. So, this is one of the thing, and if I talk about overseas market, especially in US and Europe, there is a stability in terms of the policies, in terms of the all the regulations. Those are there, so that way they can forecast well for at least for next 5 years. Wherein we are waiting for the policies to be implemented, and at the back of the mind there is a worry that the policy might change again. So there is some resistance. So that is one of the major difference I would say.
So before concluding this interaction, would you like to send any message to your customers?
So the message we would send to customer is we have a motto of clean power for all, and Sungrow is a company which is solely dedicated to a renewable sector, be it solar inverters, floaters, EV chargers, even robotic cleaning equipments, wind energy equipments. So the only challenge is that we believe in sustainability and we have a long-term vision for the market. So we are there for each and every customer and will support through all the ups and downs. So long-term partnership is the motive. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.